I don't think he's bothered by it.
You were the worst.
He's so laid back about everything. He can eat a lemon and not flinch. Huh, it's still there.
He loves it.
Wow, he does love it.
Here.
It's like, I'll just eat the rind.
Maybe it's a cultural thing. You don't realize it.
I liked lemons when I was little.
Really?
Yeah.
You could flake your taste buds or something.
He's magic that lemon.
Turn it the other way.
He's gonna flinch. Well, this was disappointing.
I'm really sad.
Hi, buddy.
He's like, look, I love it.
Yeah, it's delicious. That is delicious.
All right, video